The Oriflame app is perfect if you want to make purchases from Oriflame or just check out the catalog and see what are the latest offers. So you don't really have to purchase, but if you install it, you will be up to date with the newest catalog, the latest catalog. And typically, at the middle of the month, you'll have special offers where things are like mind blowing rates. So, like even 70% I have seen off. So you can go to India Beauty Secrets, pick any post on Oriflame and just say read more, and then there should be a link to the app. Once you click on that link, which is looks almost like a button, you can then get into the app store, and the app store, it should open something like this. This is the Oriflame shopping app. Okay, you can read all about it, open it in Play Store and install that particular app. Now once you open up the app, you will be able to play. You should be able to see something like this. So you will have at the top the current month offers, you will have a sneak peek of their current offers, their plenty program, any special offers, everything, the business class offers, everything will be there. If you really want to look into something, hit on the catalog, which is the option on that screen there, and you can get the iPaper catalog. It is beautiful. You can go through it, the video plays, it will explain all the benefits. You can jump to the section which you really want. Say you want to look at, say, makeup or fragrances, just click on that particular section and you land on that, and then you can click on something, and if you like something, you can directly add it into your cart or your shopping bag by clicking on the shopping bag icon on the left hand side. And another thing is that you can click on the bottom menu and just go directly to the different options. So you can opt for beauty routines, skincare, makeup. In skincare, I have purchased the entire set of the Even Out skincare, and next on my list is the, I'll show you the one which I'm going to purchase next. It's the Novage, not this, but there is one more Novage product which I'm going to purchase because I have heard a lot of reviews about that. At present, I have this one. Can you see the Optimals Even Out Eye Cream Serum and the Out Day cream? I cannot explain how many people have come and said that what do you do to your skin? It looks so young, and that is the thing. That's what I have been using for I think 2 or 3 months, and I'm just waiting for it to get over. It doesn't really get over. The product just goes on and on. This is what I am planning to get next. Once that is almost getting over, then I'm going to get the Novage set. The Novage set is very good for plumping up your skin, handling any aging effects. If you're 30 plus, I think you should get this. And the entire set, though it is costing 6,640 here, original say it says was 8,800. There are times when you will even get this at 3,000 rupees. So look out for the offers. And another thing is that, see, when you get the entire set, can you see here it says 150 BP. So you will have bonus points, and the more bonus points you accumulate, the more offers you can get later on. Once you like a product, just click on add to shop and add it to your shopping bag. Continue, select your delivery location, and there are so many options for purchasing products. So let's go through this purchase cycle to just show you. By the way, even I have this scrub marmalade also. That's also very good. It's made from, it just feels like you're putting yogurt and fresh berries on your face. You can look at this. See, it's only 215 rupees. You can look at this. So let's go to the shopping cart and I will show you how to do the checkout. So once you are in this shopping cart, you can then just proceed, select your address, and then you can opt for how you want the delivery, whether when what kind of payment you would like. So I skip the part of the address, and you can see that there are so many options. You can pay by debit card, net banking, e-wallet, credit card, UPI, and they have something called a personal guarantee. So I usually pay by either net banking or my debit card, or also UPI. You can link your Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc. Once you select that, you just continue and just pay it, and that's it. It will be delivered to you. I usually get it within a week, sometimes within 3 to 4 days. It depends upon the product. Another thing is you can click on that notepad or icon at the bottom, and you can see so many things, like you can register somebody under you. So if they purchase a product, you will get up to, I think, about 13% max. You can get some commissions for that. And you can also check on what's new and go through the different kinds of trainings they have. So they have special trainings. If you scroll on the top, you can see different announcements and offers. You can see the dream programs. You can talk, this is one of the best trainings as RPO. So whether you are going to promote this Oriflame or not, this is definitely going to help you in your life and in your career. So download the app and you can check it down. I will leave a link to the app below this video.